currently 1:05 p.m. and I am going out with Ray because magsisimba kami mamaya. Pero napagplanuhan namin na kakain muna kami, like mag-date muna kami before kami magsimba. I guess it's safe to say that I am back again because it's been years, not months, years since I last uploaded a video here on YouTube. This is my sunscreen. Wala siya masyadong white cast. There. This is where I put my makeup. Oh my gosh! Grabe ako sipunin. Hindi ako nakapag-concealer! Let's just use a brightening setting powder. It's from Absidy and it's in the shade Petal. Parang hindi na naman mapapantay yung brows ko. Grabe, kailangan ko na talaga magpaturo kung paano magkilay kay Marky. Shout out to you, Marky, if you're watching this vlog. Vice Cosmetics. Beep, beep. It's actually my first time using the Issey Active Skin Stick. And TBH, natakot akong gamitin siya before when Issey sent it to me because natakot ako na baka mamaya magpatchy siya. But it's not. Issey as well. Parang wala naman nangyari. I was planning to put on some cluster lashes today, pero I'm running late. Maybelline, it's their Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara. And this is in the shade C02. Lagi tayo ng content dito sa apple of our cheeks. Moonlight. What I like to do is just I blend it here muna sa blend it. Just konti-konti lang. So I feel like we're done naman na with the face. So let's do my lips. Perfect Kiss lip liners, and it's in the shade Chef's Kiss. Mousse tint in the shade Mischief. And perfect siya dun sa lip liner na ginamit ko. Number 12, Deep Sangria. This is their Juicy Lasting Tint. Konting amount lang sa inner lips. Just like that. And then like that. Here, Misty Classic. I have 3 gifts for him.
Bakit tatlo?
Ulo.
Bakit tatlo?
Ulo.
Ito? Ay, Bel?
Hindi familiar sa'yo. Di ba tinirarap ko yan habang magka-call tayo. And as usual, I ice matcha yung binili ni Ray because he doesn't drink coffee. Thank you po. What did you order?
Chicken sandwich burger. Barbecue chicken burger.
And then, here's my order. Seafood marinara. Yes! Sarap! Sobrang sarap! Seafood marinara is a 6 out of 10 for me. Bumibili ako ng lip tint kasi nakalimutan ko yung lip tint ko. Absolutely, because sponsored ako ng ads. Bili tayo ng tea. Nisipon ako.
Sinusundan ka ng camera mo.
Yes, of course. And nandito kami sa SM Baliwag, by the way. Mag-ikot-ikot kami dito. Bye! Talk to you later.
Hello guys, pauwi na kami. Galing kami ng... It's
currently 9:29 p.m. and nakauwi ako around 7:30 nung nagsimba kami ni Ray. And by the way, hindi na ako nag-vlog sa simbahan because ba't ka mag-vlog sa simbahan? I want to unbox these parcels or items that I got online. Alright, so for the first one, this is an authentic copy of Don't Be in Love because I don't support reprinted books. And unfortunately, hindi pa ako makakita talaga ng published or, printed copy of this book na legit. After 3 months, so December 29, nakita ko na meron na ako nakitang legitimate copy of this book sa online or sa Shopee. And I finally got it! So, in-order ko siya December 29 and ngayon lang siya dumating. This one, I already know what this is. Syempre, order ko to eh. But, I bought a planner. My planner is from Art Capital Philippines. And this is their concrete planner. This is what it looks like. Ayan o, para siya talagang concrete. Next. So, it's a bag. Kaya ganito siya kalaki. I got this one. It's in the color camel and my classes will start at 7:15 a.m. and na-realize ko lang na ang aga ko palang gumayak. Itin ko na yung bag na in-unbox ko ng gabi, which is this one. And it's so satisfying because, fun fact about me, the color of my bag or yung mga pouches na ginagamit ko, dapat match siya sa color ng bag ko. So this is what the insides or contents of my bag looks like. Puro sila brown. And TBH, I feel like I'm not feeling well. Medyo parang feeling ko sinisikmura ako. And I think it's because of the ramyun that I ate last night. Feeling ko hindi pa ako natutunawan. I'll talk to you guys later kapag nasa school na ako. Yep.
Our first araw, doon natin pinaplot yung susunod nating vector. Okay? And then we got the total of the vectors from the origin to the cosine. What is north? 90.
Lang yung sabay.
2, 4, 5, 3. So negative. Uy! Yan na! Ayan na!
Tamas na.
Lars.
Oh my God! Mag-vlog ka na ulit? Good.
0.
Where did you get
4.5.
Oh. Hindi, tama lang. Mali ako.
Mababa ang confidence level
Ako
ko.
yung mali. Pero pag may number,
Tama akong mali ka. Sorry na. class na. Our classes are done. Magla-lunch kami. Sa SM, of course.
Hindi tatawa na lang.
Tun, tunun, tun, tudun.
Introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Rhea. Alam nyo ba guys, hindi ko makakalimutan yung first trip niya sa akin. Gumagawa kami ng activity nun para sa isa naming subject. Tapos kumain kami ng lunch sa canteen. Ayaw niya pabayaran yung pagkain ko. I insist. That's what she said.
Hey, what's up? Hello. It's Ray and Kat. And bibili na sa akin si Kat na yung Nicolo. And sabi niya sa akin, isa lang ang bibili niya pero dalawa binili niya, guys.
Here is Ray's gift. What is it? What is it? So here's the bag, everyone.
Thank you, Ali.
Reality. The reality of majority of my nights. It's a wrap up of allergic rhinitis. I mean, kapag mental health yung topic, mostly, puro mental health sa student. Parang sobrang minimal lang. Sa teachers. Ano ba pinag-uusapan natin?
Lorraine is here. I ordered food. I ordered salad.
Grabe. Wala. Hindi na ako masusuntok. Nakatanga yung girlfriend.
Hi!
Eh, nag-video ako para mag-picture kami. Sana hindi ko na lang pinrest yung record, di ba?
Update. Inaatake na ako ng allergies ko. Cramming our research ngayon. Submission, 3 p.m. And time check. It's 2:18. Yes, natapos namin yung paper. Pupunta kami SM now because... Anong gagawin? Bibili si Anro. This is Anro. Siya yung sinasabi ko sa inyo si Manong Ben. You say hi.
Hi, guys.
Manong Ben. Sakto. I also have an errand there. Kukunin ko yung glasses na pinagawa ko kahapon. Feeling ko sobrang haba na talaga ng vlog na to.
Okay lang yan.
Okay.
Kasi a week in your life naman yan. Kasi detect yung face eh.
Pero ito yung presentation. No? Is it nice? Hopefully, hindi na sumakit yung temples ko with this one. Sana hindi na sumakit. Kasi yun yung issue ko sa ano. Sumasakit yung temples ko every time na I wear glasses. Go? Bye-bye. And we're on our way sa classroom. Ilang minutes tayong late? 30 minutes! Pero nagpa-print pa kasi kami nung chapters 1 to 3 namin. So, wala po ang sakit. Baka mamaya may magsabi. May sipon ka pa, hindi ka nagpa-face mask. Allergies po ito. Hindi po ito si Mommy. Cut! Mali siya, pero big deal pa rin yung ano na yan. Oh. Any thoughts? What are your thoughts?
Dumudugo yung papel natin.
Ang dami, literal. Pero okay lang. Kuya, parang isa pa po nung chicken.
Hi, Tatat. How are you, my strawberry shortcake?
Ano oras mo doon? Kasi tuloy ko, 5:38.
Ay, kaya ka naman.
Ay,
How are you, my strawberry shortcake? This is my strawberry shortcake and she's the blueberry cheesecake.
Di yun.
Our long distance friendly.
Wala kaming puntahan ngayon kasi
Hindi kami mabit sa meeting.
basically dapat may meeting kami ng Outlaws. I'm crying.
Wala naman.
Nandun kami kanina pa, nakita lang kami yung...
Shit, ang news.
Gandang babae mo, manang-mana sa akin. Bigyan ako ng ano ngayon, ng dalaga. Ha? You need fries.
No.
Umiinom ka ba ng coffee dyan?
Yeah.
Umiinom ka ng coffee?
Yeah.
Baka di ka makatulog niyan.
It's not coffee.
It's not coffee? Sabi mo coffee. Sabi mo coffee eh. Ito lang po.
Hi! Kijila. We're here again.
Isa po ng dirty
Anong oras ang usapan? 1. Anong oras na? It's 1:34. Wholesome lang.
Sobrang ano, pag-mark ka sa mga.
Ano, nagagawa ko siya.
Cute kasi yung species kasi iba na ano. Iba ni Avery. Hindi siya parang Salcedo, parang siyang ano pa nga yung pinuntahan mo na parang yung story ko 400 pesos na pants. Tapos walang tihan, hanap ang cut.
Tapos measure mo yung angle mo.
Guys, update. We were able to finish our activities.
Ito? Eh, hindi nakagitna.
Kamusta physics?
So far, so good. I'm done.
Hi. Kamusta physics, guys?
Hi! Oh my God!
Vlog to ni Katrina.
Hi.
Kamusta daw physics?
Ayoko na.
Ayun na.
Ayoko na rin. Stop na. Gwen ka na. Kamusta physics? Pwede na. Oh! Wait! Saan ka parang